Do you want to know how to make money on Quora and if it really is an easy way to make more than $100 per day just by commenting, as some people claim? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. And one question I have received a lot recently is how to make money on Quora, because there are some videos that claim it's a super easy and fast way to earn. And let me just reveal right away that you can potentially use Quora to make money, but there are some very important details that many people do not tell you. And that's why I decided to record this video to show you how you can realistically use it and what you can realistically expect, so you do it with the right expectations and do not end up wasting your time. So before I log into Quora and show you how to use it to potentially make money, I just want to go over why a lot of people have asked me probably about this and what you can realistically expect. Because as you can see when you go on YouTube, there's a lot of videos, and this is nothing personally about any of these videos. I have not watched all of them. Some of them show methods that could potentially work. I am here talking about this claim that it might be a super fast way. You see $100 per day, no experience, more than $4,000 for one answer, $300 daily for free. Like a lot of claims like this. And while some of the methods that some of these people actually do show is really true, and I have not watched all of these videos. I am talking about these earning claims because if you just watch on YouTube, you might get the idea that just by joining Quora, you can earn hundreds of dollars today. And that's what I want to make clear, that even though you can potentially earn, and some of these probably show case studies that are real case studies, then it is just not everything they tell you, and it often looks a lot faster and easier than it is. And that's what I want to show you in this video, what you really can expect, so you do it with the right expectations. So I have now logged into Quora, and in general, if you do not know what it is kind of a forum where you can talk or chat about, ask questions about basically any topic. If you just search for make money, for example, or make money online, there's like thousands of different questions and answers there, and you can join and start answering these different questions. You can also find questions or answers there to your own questions. But how many people then say is that, okay, you just go and find something about a topic. Let's say you have a website or offer you want to promote, then you just go and find something there, and then you just answer, and then you just link to your website or to your offer. Let's say, for example, you want to promote something in the lose weight. That's of course a huge topic, so you can just search for that there, and you can see there's so many different questions. And what you would do is then to click this one, and you would go here, and you can see a lot of people have them actually giving them different replies. And what some people then say, like, what you just need to do is then go here, give your own reply, and then you just link. For example, you join ClickBank, which is a place where you can find different offers. For example, in the weight loss, you find an offer where you can earn an affiliate commission, a commission every time someone joins. You just go here, you write a short answer and link to that offer. That's, let me just make that clear. That's a really, really stupid idea, because Quora has very strict guidelines and rules. You can't just throw in affiliate or referral links in any niche here. That will get your account blocked immediately. So any person that recommends you do that, to share your affiliate link directly or referral link directly, do not listen to them, because they have actually not tested themselves. So just stop listening to them. How it can be used is that you do write really good answers, and some people are also showing how to do that. And then you can eventually, once you have built up a reputation, you can say, then you can start linking to a website you have, because you cannot just share your affiliate links. That will be risky. And if you spend weeks building up a good reputation, people start interacting because they can see you're really an expert in what you're talking about. Then you can start once in a while maybe linking to your website with more information, and there you can have different affiliate offers. You can also have a profile here where people can go, and there is a link to your website. Again, do not link directly to any affiliate or referral offers, anything like that. It can also be a link to your social media profiles, Instagram or whatever. And this is true. Then eventually you can take the time to build up traffic to your Instagram profile, to your website, whatever, because people can see you're an expert because you take the time to give real answers. And then some of them might end up buying, and that way you can potentially earn. But let's talk a little bit more about like how long would that actually take, because some videos claim that you can earn easily $100 per day. So let's just reflect a little bit upon that. So the reality is that potentially you can end up earning decent money from traffic from Quora. But what you need to be aware is that for answers to get a lot of views, a lot of people that actually listen, then you need to spend a lot of time, because the reality is also that a lot of marketers now try to use this, and that just means there's a flood of different answers that are trying to link to different websites or Instagram profiles and things like that. So it's not that easy to actually build up a reputation. You need to be aware that to make this work, you need to find, of course, good honest offers to promote in whatever niche. It can be lose weight, make money, it can be anything that you want to promote. But then you need to have some kind of profile on social media or website or something like that you can link to. Then you need to not only have good content there that can potentially send people to an offer where you can earn commissions, and make sure that it's something that's actually really worth it, because if not, you will waste people's time and money, and that will also hurt your reputation, and it's just not fair. So that's the first steps. Then you need to spend a lot of time on Quora, because just replying to with a few sentences will not help you. You need to reply to a lot of questions. And I know people that have spent like weeks, sometimes months replying honestly, and then still suddenly they do get blocked because they link to their website or somebody marks it as spam or whatever. So you have to be very careful. It can work. I know some people do get a decent amount of traffic from Quora, but you do need to be aware that it's not a fast way to make $100 per day. It will take a lot of effort to build up traffic that will just earn you a little bit, and you do have the risk that when you start linking to your website or to your profile, that some people might mark it as spam, and then you do risk that your account will get closed. So for those reasons, I think that Quora can be interesting to use if you want to make money like that, if you're focusing on providing value and building a brand. But it's just not super effective in my opinion, and it can be a nice side thing, but I would say if you are new to making money online, you should focus on some other traffic sources first. So let's talk a little bit about that. So overall, I do think that Quora is actually a great forum, and there's a lot of great information there. But as a traffic source to, for example, referral links or affiliate offers, then it just takes a lot of effort, and you do not necessarily get a continuous flow out of that traffic that you might eventually get. In my personal opinion and experience, it is better to focus on building other traffic sources. For example, learning how to build a blog where you create, because if you have to put a lot of time into giving really good answers there. Why not put all that effort into building really great content on your own blog, learning how to optimize it so you can get traffic to that website in other ways also. Then you can use Quora as an extra way to get a little bit of traffic to that. But you should focus on really learning to build proper quality traffic like that. Or for example, I personally also love YouTube as a traffic source. If you learn to do that and build it up, it is, in my opinion, in a way, a better and more sustainable way to build up traffic. And I have videos and information about ways to both build up blog traffic, website traffic, and for YouTube. I will leave links below to my top recommended ways to actually do that below. And then I think Quora can be interesting to use as an extra traffic source, but I would not suggest to focus on that one as the first or the main thing, as some people say, like, oh, just join Quora, start replying to different questions, link to your Instagram profile where you have some affiliate offers, then you'll make $100 or $300 or whatever per day. That's just not how it works. For the majority of people, they will end up wasting a lot of time. It's great for branding, for helping people, but as a way to earn, I would personally recommend focusing on other traffic sources, and then Quora can be a little side thing. As mentioned, I will leave links below to more information about my top recommended ways to build up traffic. And if you have any opinions about this yourself, please also feel free to share below. This is just my opinion and experience. I have worked online for quite a few years, and this is based on just not my experience, but also with a lot of people that I have talked to. But No, if you have a different opinion, please feel free to share it in a comment below. Also, if you have any questions. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time with a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money online.